Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and in this short video I will tell you that how you can easily check DMs on Instagram app. That's quite simple, interesting and easy. So make sure to watch the video till end so you don't make a single mistake. I'm on my iPhone. You can follow the exact same steps if you're on an Android or a computer as well. So first of all, open up the Instagram app, and there is only one place in Instagram where you can find all your DMs. So first of all, you'll have to tap on the message icon in the top right corner like this, and right here you'll be able to find all the DMs. You'll find the oldest on the bottom and the newest on the top. You can delete any of the DMs by swiping them left and then tap on delete, and then tap on delete. And you can also find message requests by tapping on requests next to messages, and right here you'll be able to find all the message requests that others have sent you. I hope you have found the video helpful. If you have found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button. And if you have any questions about the video, let me know in the comment section. Thank